Hi guys! This video shows you a short story. It is called The Study Group and is for beginners in English language. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe for more English stories and lessons. The Study Group. Alex was preparing for his final exams. He felt stressed and overwhelmed because there was so much to study. One day, while in the library, he met Sarah, a fellow student who was also studying for the same exam. They decided to form a study group. Sarah shared helpful notes, and Alex explained a few concepts she didn't understand. They worked together for hours, taking breaks to chat and share ideas. Alex felt much more confident. Studying with someone else makes it easier and more fun, Alex thought. By the end of the week, they both felt ready for the exam. They wished each other good luck and promised to study together again in the future. Alex realized that studying with someone else not made learning easier, but also helped build new friendship.